Good Friday morning, everybody. Holy shit. Do not walk out in the yard. It's raining sunshine. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it's actually not sunshine. That's ice falling out of the trees. It's starting to melt. And poor deer back there getting pelted by ice and rain or water drops. Alright, enough of that. Have a great Friday, everybody. Talk to you later. Bye.